Hello students of Standard 6. Welcome to DAV Moil Public School. I am your English teacher Jagruti Meshra. Let's begin our today's online session of English. Today we will continue with the same topic of my English reader, hobby. But we will start with a new topic, the collector. Let us know the story The Collectors by Rohinton Mistry and learn how a new hobby can be developed. We all are having different types of hobby. A hobby of stamp collecting is known as philately. Let us start with the lesson. The collectors. They sat at his desk and Dr. Modi opened a drawer to take out a large book. Here you can see in picture the person who is looking old is Dr. Modi and one boy who is sitting in front of him is Jahangir. They both sat on the deck and Dr. Modi opened a drawer and take out a large book. This was the first stamp album I ever had, said Dr. Modi. It was given to him by his Nusratwanji uncle when he was of Jahangir's age. All the pages at that time were empty and he began turning them. They were covered with stamps, each a feast of colors and design. The book was covered with numerous stamps. Then he talked as he turned the pages, and Jahangir watched and listened. He was glancing at the stamps flying past, at Dr. Modi's face. The album on the deck seemed to bring about a tremendous change in Dr. Modi. His voice was charged with inspiration, means when he was telling about this hobby to Jahangir, he was very inspired. His voice was an inspiration. There was a faraway look upon his face and her eyes were glittering. The album now worked its magic through him upon the boy. Even Jahangir also liked the album. Jahangir was watching and listening and was fascinated and tried to read the names of the countries on the top of the pages. Some countries' names which were given were Antigua, Australia, Belgium, Bhutan, Bulgaria and many more like Malta, Mauritius, Russia, and a final blur through which he got Yugoslavia and Zanzibar. He wanted to see it again, so Jahangir asked Dr. Modi to please handle the album to him. So, what do you think he asked? Dr. Modi said, "Do you want to be a collector?" Jahangir nodded eagerly and Dr. Modi laughed. When Nusratwanji uncle showed Dr. Modi his collection, he also felt the same. He said that he will tell his mother to buy for him to get few start and said, "Bring it here next Sunday, same time." Next Sunday, Jahangir was ready at 9, but he waited for Dr. Modi's door with a stamp album for beginners and a packet of 100 sorted stamps from different countries. At 10 o'clock, when the clock's 10th gong was echoed, Dr. Modi's door chimed. Mrs. Modi was expecting him. She didn't lock his doorway, and wordlessly she beckoned him the way. Dr. Modi was actually waiting for him, and he said, "Let's see what you have got there." And he took him to his room. They removed the cellophane wrapper And while they worked, Dr. Modi enjoyed himself much as a boy. Dr. Modi was also feeling as if he has become a little boy. His deepest wish appeared to be coming true. He had at last found someone to share his hobby with. Means for the first time he has found somebody who will share his hobby. Means the hobby of stamp collection. The young recruit was so quick to learn how to identify and sort stamps by countries. Young recruit is Jahangir. He started learning very quickly. He started identifying the stamps, then learned the different currencies, spot watermarks. Already he was skillful folding and moistening the little hinds and mounting the stamps as neatly as the teacher. Who is teacher here? Teacher is Dr. Modi, and he was pasting the stamps very neatly. When it was almost time to leave, Jahangir asked to Dr. Modi, can he examine again Nusarwanji's uncle album, the one he had seen last Sunday. Uncle led him instead to the cupboard in the corner of the room. Because Dr. Modi had found Jahangir very eager, he took him towards one cupboard. And what did he saw? Each of the cupboard's 4 shelves were piled with biscuit tins and sweet tins, round, oval, rectangular, square. Barger uncle is who? Dr. Modi. He reached out of a box at random and showed him inside. Means in these boxes there were no sweets and chocolates, but they were chock full of stamps. Jahangir's mouth fell open. He can't believe so many stamps. Then he gaped at the shelves and Dr. Modi laughed. Yes, all these tins are full of stamps, and that big cardboard box at the bottom contains 6 new albums. They are all empty. Jahangir quickly tried to assign a number in his mind to stamps in containers of different mithai walas boxes, and he was very surprised. Once again Dr. Modi laughed at the boy's wonder. A lot of stamps, and what Dr. Modi told, that it took him lot of years to collect. Of course he is lucky that he has contacts in foreign countries. Because of his job, he meets the experts from board who are invited by the Indian government. When he tells them about his hobby, they send him stamps of their countries, but no time to sort them, so he has packed them in the boxes. Then Dr. Modi told him that when he will get retired, then he will spend entire time with his stamps. Then he paused and shut the cupboard doors and asked, so what you have to do now is start making lots of friends. Now this was the main advice given by Dr. Modi to Jahangir, that first of all you have to make lot of friends and you have to tell them about your hobby. If they also collect, you can exchange the duplicates with them. If they don't, then you can still ask them for all the envelopes they may be throwing away with stamps on them. In this way, something you can collect and something they can collect. Your collection will grow depending on how smart you are. In this way, Dr. Modi told him the way of collecting the stamps. So here we end the story. Dear students, on the basis of your reading of the extract, complete the following statements. The extract describes 2 visits of Jahangir to Dr. Modi's house. The following points briefly describe what happened in the 2 visits. However, the points have got mixed. Sort out the points and list them under the 2 headings given below. Also arrange them in correct order as they appear in the extract. For example, first visit and second visit. So, first you have to sort them. Then you have to write what happened in first visit and what happened in the second visit. Time management is the cornerstone of success. Planning your week ahead helps you to manage time effectively. Prepare your weekly planner below. Do not forget to dedicate time to your hobbies and leisure activities. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Now here, according to the days, you have to make the planning. Here are some more exercises. Values. Nusarwanji uncle gave Dr. Modi his first stamp album. Dr. Modi became a mentor for Jahangir. Our elders are a treasure house of knowledge and experience, but we often ignore them and fail to realize their importance in our life. Write 3 things which you would like to do for your grandparents and parents to make them feel special. Next is match the following expression from the passage with the ideas they convey.